Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blossom onion. First, choose a large, firm onion, like a colossal sweet onion, for the best results. Carefully trim about 1/4 inch off the top, and then peel away all the dry, outer layers. Next, place the onion cut side down and carefully cut out the core from the root end, ensuring you leave about 1/2 inch of the root intact to hold the petals together. Now, let's create those beautiful petals. Place the onion cut side down on a stable surface. Using a sharp knife, make 12 to 16 even cuts from the top, moving downwards towards the core. It's crucial that these cuts stop about 1/2 inch from the root end. This technique keeps the onion together while allowing the petals to fan out perfectly for frying. After cutting, gently separate the onion petals by submerging the onion in a bowl of ice water for about 15 minutes. This helps them open up. Next, dredge the onion thoroughly in seasoned flour, then dip it into an egg wash, and finally coat it again in the seasoned flour. Deep fry the battered onion at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 90 seconds, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once fried, carefully remove the blossom onion and place it on paper towels to drain any excess oil. This ensures it stays wonderfully crispy. Serve your delicious blossom onion immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like a zesty ranch or a spicy aioli, for an unforgettable appetizer. And hey, while you're enjoying that, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.